united dreamers, builders, scientists, and disruptors under one roof. And after the success of that inaugural gathering, one question kept coming up again and again. Natanong nila, when's the next one? Right. So well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are again. This year, we build on that momentum with a clear, urgent purpose. Preparing tomorrow, today. We are creating solutions not just for today's challenges, but for the world we know is coming. It's about laying down digital foundations, designing smart tools, and building systems that can grow with us, so every Filipino is ready for tomorrow's opportunities. We live in an age where the boundaries of what's possible are constantly being redrawn. But if you're wondering where meaningful innovation truly begins, where emerging ideas are nurtured and bold technologies are brought to life, you don't need to look far. Just look at us. Look at DOST, and especially look at the Advanced Science and Technology Institute. Here we cultivate ideas from the ground up. We build, test, and deploy technologies that not only break new ground, but create lasting impact. So let me share with you how we are preparing for tomorrow today. Beginning with a comprehensive network of weather stations, our eyes and ears on the ground. Through the MASIG project, we developed over 2,000 weather data collection stations in disaster-prone areas across the country. This network provides the near real-time meteorological information crucial for forecasting, research, and disaster risk reduction. At the heart of every station is the ARQ, a unit that transmits data directly to our central data repository. And that is CORE, or COARE for some, Computing and Archiving Research Environment. This data fuels our nation's most critical scientific work on disaster resilience, becoming the essential input for DOST Pag-asa's climate change projections, empowering the hazard assessments of DOST FIVOLC's GeoRisk PH platform. For a system this critical, reliability is everything. This is where our Electronic Products Development Center, or EPDC, comes in. The EPDC subjected our ARQ unit to rigorous testing, validating its stability and ability to operate safely where it matters most.
This ecosystem of locally developed hardware and powerful infrastructure provides a solid foundation, but we knew that the next great leap forward would come from layering the most advanced tool of our time on top of it, which is, as we all know, artificial intelligence. This brings us to the groundbreaking collaboration with a US-based AI meteorology company called Atmo Incorporated through the AI for RP project.
Nandun po siya, exhibit po sa kabila. This initiative uses Atmos AI calibrated for the Philippines' unique weather patterns to deliver forecasts at 10 times the resolution of previous models. This translates to tracking weather at the neighborhood level, a revolutionary step that gives our communities, our farmers, and families reliable, life-saving information. From satellite-based AI that informs national policy, let's say on rice and sugar, to autonomous robots like Roamer that protect our banana plantations, we are building a future where Philippine agriculture is more productive, more sustainable, and more resilient. But securing our nation from external threats, whether from storms, or food insecurity, is only half the equation. To truly prepare for tomorrow, we must strengthen ourselves from the inside. We have to turn our tools inward and ask a critical question. How can we build a government as innovative and responsive as the technologies we create for the field? Now, our answer started by looking inward. To build a future-ready government, we first had to transform ourselves. Through HR Lite, our human resource platform, we streamline tedious yet essential HR processes. By digitizing these tasks, we just don't save time. We reinvent that time into our core mission, which is serving the public. Then we have Action, our internal service platform that eliminates the confusion and delays in inter-office collaboration, replacing them with structured, seamless workflow. Now, for project managers, we have Awardees, an end-to-end system that brings clarity and consistency to the entire R&D life cycle, ensuring our best ideas move from concept to reality faster and more effectively. As we digitize more workflows, we generate more critical data. To protect it, we are building Data Protect Share, a blockchain-based solution that ensures integrity and transparency across our records, a crucial foundation for trust in the digital age. Yet even the most secure systems must be accessible. That is why we have developed Itanong, a natural language interface that allows anyone to search for data using everyday English or Filipino, pwede rin pong Taglish. With Itanong, users no longer need to navigate complex databases. They can simply ask for Itanong. So these platforms are the building blocks of modern connected government. But our mission has always been to serve every Filipino wherever they are. So we took these same principles of efficiency, connectivity, and intelligence. The work you have just seen proves our commitment to solving today's challenges while shaping tomorrow's opportunities. But to accelerate this vision, we must be even more focused and more strategic. That is why today we are officially launching 4 strategic programs that will define the next chapter of the OSDST. First, which is ACCORD, AI-centered computation, optimization, and responsible research development. Our commitment to responsible, inclusive AI that serves national priorities. Second, we have ASCEND, advancement of autonomous systems, wireless connectivity, and embedded electronics for national transformation. Delivering advanced prototypes from autonomous systems to intelligent infrastructure ready for the real world. Connect, or collaborative open network infrastructure for emerging technologies, computing, and connectivity, strengthening our national science and technology backbone to give our researchers the tools they need to excel. Last, we have Thrive, transforming high-impact research into viable everyday solutions, because we believe great science should not stay in the labs. It should touch the lives of the people. Now, these 4 programs, ACCORD, ASCEND, Connect, and Thrive, are more than just our strategy. They are our invitation to you. They are platforms for collaboration where your ideas, your expertise, and your passion can help us prepare tomorrow today. Of course, none of this would be possible without the unwavering support of our leadership at the OST. So again, we are deeply grateful to Secretary Renato Solidum Jr., whose guidance continues to steer Philippine science with wisdom and purpose. To Undersecretary Lea Bendia, who champions the very R&D and innovation that forms the heart of the work you've seen today. To Assistant Secretary Napoleon Monilla Jr. for helping translate our science and strategic impact across industries. To Assistant Secretary Rodolfo Calzado Jr. for strengthening the international partnerships to further breakthroughs in our shores. And to the entire DOST family, thank you for your collaboration and commitment. So as we look ahead, one thing is clear. The Philippines is not waiting for the future. We are building it. And the proof is right here. In these booths, sa kabila po, and on this stage. So to our guests, our stakeholders, our partners from the academe, government, and industry, welcome to ASTICON 2025. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the convention where we are preparing